Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Now, I've been promising Jake over at Premier Plasma that for a long time now that I would do a review video of his plasma table. Now, I didn't want to do it when I first got it because everything's shiny and new when you first get it out of the box, and we all love the way it looks. I've had my table for about a year and a half now, and I've cut thousands upon thousands of parts on it, and I've really put it to the test, and I'm really happy with the results that I've gotten. Now, his table comes, I believe he makes a 4x4 and a 4x8. I'm not sure on the other sizes, but he does have a Facebook page, an Instagram page. He's on YouTube and stuff as well, so it's not very hard to find. Now, overall, I mean, I really like the results. Excuse the shop's a little bit of a mess now. But, you know, everything from... This is 14 gauge steel right off the table. See if I can get my camera to focus here. But, I mean, the edges are clean. You know, minimal draws. That's 3/16. Here's another 3/16 part. I mean, nice clean edge. Now here is a 1/4 inch part. Same thing. I mean, nice clean edge. Straight lines. I mean, I've cut thousands of parts like this. And this is 1/2 inch. Now, this table I run a Hypotherm PowerMax 65 plasma cutter. And like I said, I mean, it just runs beautiful. Hang on just a second here. Let me see if I can get this. Here. Sorry everyone, my compressor turned on. I had to walk over and turn it off. Let's see here. Now see, this is 14 gauge steel. It's cold rolled, that's why you don't have all the mill scale on it. Now see the edges and everything? I mean, that's great. I hit it with a flap disc, wire wheel, and I mean, it's, you know, I have a little taper bit that I run through all my bolt holes and stuff on all my parts, but aside from that, I mean, it's good to go. Now, let's go back over here. This table, everything runs off, this is Mach 3, sheet cam, and the CAD software, it's actually ViaCAD 2D. Now, you can use AutoCAD, really any CAD, as long as it'll write a DXF file. I mean, you're good to go. All of his computers, they all come preloaded with software. I mean, really, everything's ready to go. The only thing you need is a plasma cutter and metal. All the stepper motors, it's all stuff that is readily available either from Jake or you can find online. I have had a couple things like the switch for the floating head, and I think I had a motor drive go bad. But aside from that, I mean, I've been running it for quite a while with no problems. So I mean, really, that's about it. You know, I really like the table. I mean, the price isn't bad. The cut quality is really nice on it. Really, that's about it. Thanks, everyone.